Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can fix your were kicked from session by BattlEye GTA 5 Enhanced. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up Rockstar Games, go to settings, then disable BattlEye here. And then open up, close Rockstar Games, open up Test Manager and close GTA 5. If it's enabled, then close Rockstar Games. There should be no tasks related to Rockstar Games, and if you're using Steam, close Steam. If you're using Epic Games, close Epic Games. Next thing what you need to do here is to open up CMD or command prompt. Make sure to run as admin, okay? And then you need to write sc space delete space be service and press enter. And after that, you need to go back to Rockstar Games. And then you just need to go to settings and re-enable BattlEye, launch the game. No problem, should be fixed. That's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like.